AI agents. Funny thing, everyone nods like they know what that means, but you can see the panic behind the eyes. So let's just cut through it. An AI agent is basically a little digital creature that can do stuff on its own. Not Skynet, not your new robot overlord. More like that one friend who actually remembers to book the restaurant while the rest of you argue about sushi or burgers. Most people think AI is just this giant prediction machine. You give it a question, it gives you an answer, end of story. But agents are a different beast. They don't just answer, they act. They look at a goal, break it into smaller steps, pick the tools they need, and just go. And yeah, the first time you watch it do that, it feels a bit like delegating to an intern who never sleeps and definitely drinks too much digital coffee. Still here? Good. Picture this. You tell an AI agent, hey, help me plan a trip. A normal AI would spit out a list of cities. An agent will actually go compare flights, check weather, read hotel reviews, adjust your budget, and then come back like, here you go, I handled it. And you're sitting there thinking, wow, I didn't even handle my laundry today. But here's the part nobody tells you. Agents aren't magic. You need to give them boundaries or they'll happily wander off into the weeds. Clear goals, real constraints, otherwise they do what every junior dev does at 3 a.m. Build something impressive that solves the wrong problem. And that's where people get scared. They think agents replace humans. They don't. They replace the annoying chores we pretend we enjoy. They give you back time. They let you think. They let you work on the parts of your job where your brain doesn't feel like a potato. So when someone drops the term Agentic AI, like it's a Marvel character, just remember, it's software that can take action instead of waiting for instructions like a golden retriever staring at a tennis ball. Useful, powerful, occasionally chaotic, but with the right guardrails, it's like having a tiny mission control in your pocket. And honestly, who wouldn't want that?